Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to quickly search and find your active eBay listings. Whether you're a new seller or you've been on eBay for a while, knowing how to locate and manage your active items will make your selling process so much smoother. Let's get started. So open your preferred browser and head over to ebay.com. If you're not signed in yet, click on Sign in the upper right corner and enter your login details. You need to be logged in so eBay can show you the correct listings connected to your seller account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the eBay homepage. What I want you to do next is go to the top right corner and hover over My eBay. Now once you've opened the drop-down, look for Selling. It's right here. Click on it, and it will take you to the seller dashboard, your main control center where you manage inventory, track sales, and check your performance as a seller. And on the left side, you'll see a couple of tabs. Look for the tab named Active right here. Then click on it. So this opens the page showing all your items that are currently live and available for sale. Unfortunately, I don't have any active listing on this account. So your active listing page acts like your real-time snapshot of what's happening in your store. Here, you'll see important details such as listing titles, prices, number of views, whether an auction has bids, and your remaining time left. This is where you manage your store on a day-to-day basis, editing prices, updating stock, ending listings, or checking performance. Again, since I don't have any active listing, if you would like to search for a specific listing, there should be a search bar right here or on the top right. Additionally, aside from the sorter right here, where you can sort items that you have in your listings by oldest listing, newly listed, highest price, and many more. Aside from the sorter, you'll also be able to use a filter button, but unfortunately, I'm unable to access it since I don't have any listing on this account. So on the filter, you can open a drop-down and you can narrow down your listing based on format, price range, category, status, and many more. This makes it super easy to locate specific items or group of items without manually browsing everything. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.